Do you feel how freezing it is this year? It seems like winter's hitting harder than usual.
Yes, it's unbearable this time. The cold feels sharper, and the wind is biting. I'm starting to worry about the little ones and the elderly in the family. They're so sensitive to this cold.
You're right. I've been thinking about that too. The kids especially are always complaining about how cold their hands and feet get, even when we layer them up.
I know, and my grandmother is having trouble keeping warm in the house. The heater is on, but it doesn't feel like enough. What can we do to help them stay comfortable?
Maybe we should invest in some thicker blankets for everyone. My cousin suggested heated blankets for the older folks. She says it makes a huge difference.
That sounds like a good idea. Also, I've been making hot cocoa for the kids every evening. It warms them up inside and is a bit of a treat too. You know, a little sweetness goes a long way in keeping spirits up.
Oh, that's a great idea. I've been doing the same, but I was also thinking of making some homemade soups. You can never go wrong with a warm bowl of soup on a cold day.
Yes, a big pot of soup could be just what we need. Maybe a chicken and vegetable soup. Something hearty. The warmth will help the little ones stay cozy, and it's good for their health too.
Absolutely. And have you tried those hand warmers? They're small but effective. I keep a few in my purse for the kids. They love them, and it's a simple way to keep their hands toasty while they're outside playing.
Oh, those are lifesavers. I think I'll get a few for the family. The kids can keep them in their pockets when they go out to play, so they're not feeling too uncomfortable. What else do you think we should do for them?
You know, we could also create a cozy corner in the house with blankets and pillows where the kids can read or play. A little space for them to enjoy indoors without feeling trapped in the cold.
That's such a sweet idea. They can bring their favorite books or toys, and we can make it feel like a little winter hideaway. Plus, it'll keep them distracted and entertained, so they won't even notice how cold it is outside.
Exactly. And we should make sure the windows are sealed properly. I noticed the cold air creeping in through the cracks last night. I'm going to check all the windows this weekend and put some draft stoppers.
Oh, good thinking. It's crazy how even the smallest draft can make the house feel freezing. I'll do the same here. Maybe we can even get some heavy curtains for the windows. That might help a lot, especially during the night.
You're totally right. Heavy curtains trap the warmth inside. Plus, they'll help block out some of the light in the morning so the kids can sleep longer.
Yes, chamomile or peppermint tea is perfect for winding down at night. It helps everyone relax, and the warmth makes you feel like you're in a cozy little bubble.
I couldn't agree more. And for days when it's just too cold to go out, we could plan some fun indoor activities for the kids. Maybe a movie marathon or a board game night. They'll love it, and it'll help them forget about the cold outside.
That sounds perfect. I've also been teaching them some simple crafts lately, like making paper snowflakes or decorating winter-themed bookmarks. They love being creative, and it keeps them busy for hours.
Oh, that's adorable. We could do something similar at my place too. The kids can make their own little winter wonderland with crafts. Maybe even set up a small snowball fight with cotton balls indoors.
That's so fun! It'll keep them entertained and let them burn some energy, even if they can't go outside for long. Honestly, with a little planning, we can make this winter pretty fun and cozy for the whole family.
I'm glad we're on the same page. Staying warm and having fun together is the best way to get through this chilly winter. And just remembering to check in on the older folks more often, make sure they're safe and warm, is really important too.
You're right. A little extra care can go a long way. I think this winter will be just fine as long as we're all taking care of each other. And next year, we'll be even more prepared for the cold.
Absolutely. Let's make this winter a cozy, memorable one for our families. We've got this.
Yes, we do. Here's to staying warm and making the most of this chilly season.
Thanks for watching.